Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Eric. Welcome back to another video on the channel. As you can see, I am testing out the screen recorder that displays my face in the upper corner. I might move it around depending on how I like it. So let me know in the comments if you like this setup. Eventually I want to try and get a legitimate camera. Right now I'm in the car. Just got done working for the day, and I wanted to go over my portfolio as an update. The market's been doing really well recently. I'll move my face over here. As you can see, I'm at $3,500 for my total account value. I'm up $60 for the day, 1.77%, which is really good. This week, I'm up $151, 4.52%. The month, I'm up $62, 1.82%. And then as you can see, the overall is still not very good. However, it's only down 17% overall. And I don't know if I've mentioned this before, but all of this back here, from then on, is me trying to do day trading and penny stocks. So didn't work out well for me, and that's why I'm kind of doing dividend stocks. Right now, I'm really trying to focus on that and build it from there. I do have a couple growth stocks in my portfolio. I have two that I like a lot right now, and I'm going to go over those now. So down here, you can see, and I'm gonna go right here and do total equity in the middle button right here, so you can see how much money I have invested in every position. Tesla, I got 5 shares, $1,177. AG&C, $597.36. That's gone up since the last video, and I really tried to average down a little bit on that one. I like AG&C as a monthly dividend paying company. It's like 12% dividend payment or dividend payment per month, but it's very volatile and it's nothing but being in the red. There's been a nice little spike here recently. The RSI that I look at was showing, I think it was like 15, so super undersold. So a good little bounce back here, and I'm gonna dump it probably, I don't know, right around there. So what is that, around $16. So we'll see what happens. I'll reinvest in something else. If you guys know of any stocks that you're looking at, feel free to comment them down below. I'll continue on with the rest of my portfolio. So you can see PPL, got 10 shares, $300 in that. T-Mobile, only 4 shares, or not T-Mobile, sorry, AT&T, only have 4 shares of that. I wish I would have bought more because that's been going on a tear recently. The newest one, as you can see, Zillow, I bought today, right down there, the average cost of $30.90. I bought it basically at market open, and I looked at this stock on my chart that I use, and it was very undersold, or very oversold, sorry. So I picked up 7 shares of that. So don't know, I'll probably keep this maybe a week, see what happens with it. It's really gone down the last couple of days. I need to do a little bit more research on it and see why that is, but you know, if it bounces back up to this range here, $48, you know, it's a pretty nice gain there. So already up $12 on that one. Feeling pretty good about that. SPHD, 469 shares. I really want to, I'm probably going to put my AG&C, once I sell that, into SPHD. This company is great. Well, that's not a company. This stock is great. It's basically a conglomerate of different high dividend paying companies. And I bought it at a price point of $40.81. So it dipped down quite a bit there. I wish I would have bought more, but I didn't have enough money to trade with, and I didn't want to sell out of any of my positions that I had a loss in about a week and a half ago. So a little bit of Pfizer, $74 worth of Pfizer, and then Altria, which I wanted to buy more in, but they downgraded it today, so I think I'll wait to see how that plays out. It's a great dividend company. It's got a 6% dividend yield. There's talks with merger back with Philip Morris. They went their separate ways a while ago. The thing about Altria, like I said in previous videos, is that they have a 35% stake in Juul, and that's been in the news recently. Different states trying to cut back on teen usage and have new laws put in place, so it's kind of hurting them right now. If you look at their year, they're down quite a bit, but I have high hopes for them. I think I think it's a big growth stock, at least in my eyes. They also have I think it's like $1.5 billion invested in Kronos, the marijuana company. So indirectly invested in Kronos too. So that's my portfolio for the week. Things are looking good. We'll see if they can continue. I'll go ahead and end with my total gain and losses so far. Feel free to go back and look at my previous videos to compare these. I usually just leave this total losses and gains up for everyone to see. It kind of keeps me accountable and fun for other people to look at. So I'll go down there, scroll down slowly so you can see. Feel free to pause. So definitely an improvement from last week, 2 weeks ago. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. Like I said, if you have any other stocks that you're looking at, let me know in the comments below. Really looking into investing AG&C, the money that I have into AG&C into something different. So let me know. Thanks, guys.